For every part on our site, it tends to have a little story, and there's a reason it's there, and it's usually because we've had a journey or we've discovered something and we've been able to do it better or cheaper or whatever. So you know, when you look at a part and you think, my God, that's expensive, how much is that? Why is that so dear? Well, here's one of the things that happened with, which is what this product is. Alloy wheel centre caps. And I'm going to tell you the story about how these came to be very briefly. So I was here, a Land Rover dealer, and I was having a look around the cars, and I wanted some centre caps for my own car to go in the middle of the alloys. And the ones I found that I liked are these ones here, which are on this Defender. But of course they also fit all other types of Range Rovers as well, from P38 right up to the current models, like 25, 26, 27, whenever you're watching this. So what do? You go to your nearest dealer, don't you, to buy some, you would think. So I came here to my local dealer. I went into the parts department and said, I'll have a set of them, how much are they? Do you know how much they told me? Over £50 each. That's over 200 quid for a set of centre caps. Well, that's exactly the kind of parts that I think will do something about that. So when something like that happens, and I don't want to be ripped off, I think, you know what, can we do that better? So what I do is I get one of my sourcing people abroad to find the part, or sometimes we make it ourselves. One way or another, we solve the problem. And that's what we did with these. There is absolutely no need to be paying £200 a set for them. So now they're on our site. They fit all standard Land Rover and Range Rover alloys, which is 62, 63 millimetres. They fit Land Rover Defenders and standard Land Rover wheels. They fit all Range Rovers from P38 all the way up through Sports, Velar, what you call a Evoque shape, you know, the L322, L405 like this one here, L460, the new one, all of them. And these are really nice. They're indiscernible from the original. They come in a set of 4, and you'll find them on our website at a very, very reasonable price. And that is the only reason that we chose to source and supply these, is because my local dealer wanted over £200 a set. And you know, and you don't mind paying money for some things, do you? But if someone's going to bend you over and spank you that hard, then something needs to happen. So that's what we've done, under 30 quid a set. Thanks for watching. See you on other videos.